In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the fuel tank straps on this Nissan Rogue. These are going to be located underneath the fuel tank. Let's get into it. There's some nuts holding the shield on. Use a 10mm socket. Pull that nut off. And the same 10mm socket. Nope, this one's rusted. This one's rusted and broken off. That's okay, but on yours, take that off. And then the shield will come down. Now we are gonna do one strap at a time, but we're gonna use a block of wood and a pole jack just to support the tank so it doesn't sink down. After we finish this side, we can move the pole jack to the other side. Now I'm gonna use a 16mm socket, loosen up the bolt. You wanna do this by hand so you don't break it or you don't strip it out. Take that bolt out. Now in the back, the same. We're going to use the 16mm socket. Loosen it up. Pull that bolt out. And grab the strap. And it comes right down. I take the fuel tank straps with the brackets. And get this in the right location. Get this bolt started. And get the front one started. All right. Now we'll torque that to 23 foot-pounds. Tighten down the rear one. And torque this one down to 23 foot-pounds. Now I take the shield, push that over the stud, get the nut on. Make sure the back one's lined up. And we'll tighten this down. Snug that down. Lower the pole jack. You can move it to the other side, and the procedure is going to be the same. The only difference is you don't have these brackets holding on a shield.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.